Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Swann DVR password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one, we need to identify your DVR model first. So locate the model number on the label, and this is going to be either at the bottom or the back of your DVR. This information is crucial for determining the appropriate reset method. Then step here, we need to retrieve the recovery code MAC address. So option A, using a PC or Mac, connect your DVR to your router via an Ethernet cable. And we've got Ethernet cords on the back of your DVR and your router, as you can see in this demonstration. Then from here, we need to go ahead and install the Swann security software on your computer. So if you haven't, go to this website here. If you want me to leave a link to this, I will just leave a comment in the comments below and I'll put this link in there. So now it basically tells you to download the software, then set up a local password, then add your recorder to the software and then view your cameras. But this is a very good guide from the official web page from Swann. And then from there, just simply launch the software to find your DVR's MAC address. So you can see if you go to system, it's going to be displayed here on the right hand side under information. You're going to have device type, hardware version, software version, but you got your MAC address here and your P2P ID is also labeled here. And now on your DVR, right click to access the main menu, then click the start button, then unlock. Then from here, enter the MAC address as the recovery code, what we got earlier, your MAC address, then follow the prompts to set a new password.